nobody can beat us. What was I said? That's obviously not true, but it felt for me in this moment like this. Then I went back to the fourth official and said, he was absolutely the wrong person to say it. But I said, sorry, I was a little bit excited. And he said, no problem, I like your passion. That actually I never heard before from a fourth official. So I thought it makes sense that you know about it. So write what you want, but that's the truth.